The BLACK+DECKER Air Conditioner delivers efficient cooling power with a seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER, of 6.2, making it a reliable choice for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. With a cooling power of 14000 BTU, this air conditioner is suitable for medium to large rooms, providing quick and effective cooling. The remote control feature allows users to conveniently adjust settings from across the room, enhancing user experience and convenience. Measuring at 17.1 inches in diameter, 28.1 inches in width, and 13.8 inches in height, this air conditioner is designed to fit seamlessly into various living spaces without occupying too much room. The white color gives it a sleek and modern look that can complement different interior styles. Operating at a voltage of 115 volts, the BLACK+DECKER air conditioner ensures energy-efficient performance while maintaining a noise level of 54 dB, creating a quiet and comfortable environment for users. The use of refrigerant,